Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a document in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects that we can continue working on. But in this case, from the bottom bar, we have to select the plus icon. Then a list is going to open up, and from the list we can select the document. If we tap on this, then the app is going to load, and after that we get the format that we can start typing in. We can start writing here whatever we want. Let's say like this. We can apply different kinds of fonts, different kinds of colors and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.